Hello friend, I am Creech. Welcome to my channel Techip Nepal. For free learning, ethical hacking and technical tips, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an update.
In this video I'm gonna show the beginning steps of video editing in Kinemaster.
First, import the video file you want to edit, Form Media button. I am choosing a background picture. You can also choose a video file. You can crop, you can trim, and you can add different effect to your videos from this toolbar. Now adding one more media file, to show you how you can add a transaction effects. By clicking on this white square, you can add different effect between two different medias. Now let's try with a video file. Everything you are watching on that screen is the media which is reached on lower red line. That moving bar is our workspace. You can trim your video file like this, and also you can divide a video in two files. You can also add a video layer, as you can add a text. You can add a video over another media. Simply click on layer and you can see different options like blow effects, media, text, overlays and FX. You can also add a blur layer for your media. We can change the way that how the layers enters in the media. Here is our workspace. You can see all the media we have included here. When your project is fully complete, then simply click on this share button and set the quality and frame rate for your video, then tap on export. The advantage of using Kinemaster is we never lose our project even in case the application is closed suddenly. So I would like to recommend this application for you.